Right, I'm back. It's been a while, but let's get straight into it. Today I'm building this under stair sliding shoe rack, so I won't talk much more. Let's head inside and I'll explain the process. Right, so you can see I've got some 2x4, some heavy duty draw runners, and also some push to open thingies. First thing you do need to check, even though you shouldn't have, make sure you've got no cables, make sure you've got no gas pipes, water line, and no braces under this section, because we will be cutting this panel out. As you can hear, it's probably just plasterboard. So clear it out, have a look, and then let's get to cutting. Well, I've got less space than I thought I was going to have. That won't be coming out. God knows if it's structural or not. So the best I'll be able to do is have one pair there, one row. Second one will be here angled, and the third one there. I did want 3, so that's good enough. To make it easier, I've only need to make 1 drawer now instead of having 2. What I'm going to do now with a 2x4 is just build some simple square framing to go either side. I'll stick that on time lapse, nothing special, and then once we've got those in place, we will build the drawer according to that. Let's go.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Right, to give you guys a closer look, you can see the framing there and the framing there. Now, that will be screwed into the wall and into this just to give it a bit of support. These I've cut equally, so this has to be perfectly square, otherwise you will damage the runners. It just won't slide freely. That is where one of our runners will go. So on this side I'll have to put that in the same place. Now for this bit I'm going to be building the actual rack that slides out. This is the most crucial bit with measurements. You need to see the distance between where your runners will go. You then need to make sure you retract or subtract thickness of your runners. These are about 13 mil.
I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Right, so the frame is built up. Now it's completely up to you what you're going to use it for, how many pairs. I'll have 1 row flat like that. This one will be slightly angled, so you can take them out over those. And then I'll be able to fit 1 more just here. Now the way I've built this, everything has to be within the lines of the frame or it will catch on the stairs.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
Shut up, bro. I'm filming, man. Give me like 30 seconds and you can carry on, bro.
Don't worry, just feature me in it, bro.
Throw me off now, man. Right, the frame's all done, so as you can see, I've got one pair that can go there, one row. Second one goes in there at an angle, and then the third one up there. Most important thing with how I've done it is they clear the frame, because anything past the frame would catch. So I'm going to fit the runners now and see if it all works. The runners I have, they're rated for 120 kilo per pair. This is well under that, so fingers crossed, all goes smooth.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
These are offset by 18mm. I will have 18mm false front, just so when it does pop, you're not pulling on plasterboard, or maybe I won't use the plasterboard at all. So an 18mm MDF or plywood front. Right, last few steps. What I am going to do, I've got some 3mm hardboard lying around, so I'll put that over these sections so you can tell what goes where. Instead of then having 18mm here, I've just opted for 9 because I had some already. I won't be reusing the plasterboard. It's not going to be worth trying to repair the damage, so I've cut some wood to size. I'll be keeping that section and the corner piece. I'll fit a nice piece of wood at the front and then paint it to match, hopefully. And after that, right at the end, I'll probably fit the push openers. So let's do that.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
So with those fitted, hopefully, push that, pops out. Use your shoe rack. Press it again to lock. And then hopefully that might be easier. Again, use the rack. Push it in. And lock. So what I'm going to do now is fill up some of these holes and gaps. Put a few coats of paint down, see how it looks, and then show you the finished product. Right, so here we are. It's up to you if you want to do a paneling design to try and hide the gaps. I'm happy with this for now. Push there, pops out. Fit all your shoes in, no idea if I'm in the frame or not. Push it again, locks in place. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully I'm back for good. I can come up with a few more things and I'll see you in the next video.